Hello, my charming buddies. So once again, we are back here together at our own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your maths book, Maths Concepts and Skills for Grade 1 and your Maths Buddy Mini here. So we are starting today a new chapter, that is chapter number 10 of your book, Data Handling. What is data? The information, the values that you have is called data. And what do you do in data handling? We just arrange them in a systematic order. How? We'll be learning here, children. So let's have a gear up exercise for you first. Tanvi and Sam arranged the following things for the Friendship Day. So can you see? They have decorated so beautifully and the things are laid there on the table so well. So you have to count and write the number of balloons. Can you see how many balloons are there? That's it. That is 8 here, children. So you have 8 balloons. Quickly count how many cakes are there. That is just 1. So we get 1 here. How many candies do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can count from your own book. I have got 13 candies here. And caps, 5. What about soft drink bottles? They are also 5. So the things are so well arranged. Now, which item is the greatest in number here? So, which is the biggest number? Yes, candies. And which item is smallest? That is the cake. There is just 1 cake, right? Smallest not in size, in number, children. So, what we have done, whatever things were here, we have arranged them in the form of this table, and then out of it we are interpreting some results. This is what we do in data handling. So let's have fun with this topic also, collection and recording of data. This is what we do in data handling. So data is a set of information in the form of numerical facts, and then data handling is to collect, to arrange and to use the information received from the data, like to find out which is the most, which is the least, how much more, how much less, like that. So write the number of items of each kind in the given table. You have so many things here, they are all scattered around, and then we have to count how many flowers are there. So let's count 1, 2, that's it, 2 flowers. How many caps do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, you will be looking at other items also and just completing the number. Let's quickly do ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then balloons. We have 1, 2, 3. Is everything done? Yes, we have 3 balloons. So this is, we have the data and then we have arranged in this form. Now we will be using this information to draw some conclusions. Which is the largest collection here? The ice creams and apples. Both are 6 each, right? Let us cross verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then apples also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both are the largest collection, apples and ice creams. Next, which is the smallest collection here? The flowers are 2 only. So the smallest collection is of the flowers. Now, what is the number of flowers? It is only 2. And how many ice creams are more than apples in number? Apples and ice creams both are 6 in number. So 0 is the difference here. They are equal in number, no more, no less. Now count and answer the questions that follow. So here are some dresses. Based on that, you will have to complete the you will have to interpret and answer these questions. That is for you to practice yourself and have fun. Now a dice was rolled a few times. The data collected is given below. So when you roll the dice, what numbers are possible on the upper side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, right? So these are the only possibilities. And when you roll the dice, 6 came only 2 times, then 5 came 5 times, 1 came 5 times, 2 came only 1 time, like this. The information is given here. So which 2 numbers got rolled equal number of times? So can you see which numbers got equal number of times? These 2 are showing equal. So that means 5 and 1. Count the number of times dice is rolled. Total how many times you have rolled it. So it is 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 plus 5 18 plus 2 20 times it was rolled. Right? So this is how we can just have fun with the facts which are given to us. Now, group activity, how many of your classmates have the following as their favorite sports? So you ask from your friends and then complete this information by writing the number of friends who like each of these sports, right? Now, chapter at a glance, what we have learned, data handling helps to count the given number of different types of objects, and then putting data in tabular form makes it easy to understand that. Now, for the little champions, how many total number of squares and circles are there in the given figure? So, you just have to count the squares and circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 squares, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 circles. So 15 plus 10 is 25 is your correct answer. There are dash groups of 5 strawberries each. So how many groups do you see here? 3 groups. Yes, there are 3 groups of 5 strawberries each. Next, miscellaneous exercise for you. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Which shape is maximum in number? So what you will have to do, children, you will have to count each of the shapes and see which has the biggest number. How many stars are there? Yes, 3 stars are there. How many triangles are there? Perfect, 4 triangles. Which two shapes are equal in number? So when you write the number here, you will be knowing which two shapes have the same number. You will be ticking that answer. Moving ahead, we have subjective type questions. A table has been laid for a party. Mother has asked Jimmy to take care of the crockery to be placed. Answer the following questions to help Jimmy lay out the necessary items. Now there are 8 guests coming for the party. How many plates does he need to arrange there? So for 8 guests, you need 8 plates. How many glass tumblers should be placed? Explain your answer. Because for one person, one guest, you need just 1 glass to drink water. So how many glasses will be placed again? 8. Now, these ingredients were used for making cupcakes by Sally. She made 10 cupcakes. How many cups were used by her in all? So, this is the information given here, and you will be reading out and counting from there how many cups have been used, because different things have been used in different quantities. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of curd, 1 cup of oil. So total how many cups she has used, you will be counting and writing. How many spoons were used in all? So there are a few things that you need to put in spoons, not in cup, like the soda, the baking powder, they have been used in tablespoon, teaspoon. So you will be counting those teaspoons separately and the number of cups separately and writing the numbers here. Here, let's reconnect. Let's connect. Ria learned that plants help us in many ways. Plants give us shade, clean the air, provide us food. They give lots of things to us. So we call them our green friends. And she bought some plant saplings from the nursery. She then made a list of different saplings that she bought. Now, what you have to do is count and complete the table. How many of these plants did she buy? This is 3. And then these are 5. And how many are these? These are 4 children. Okay. So this is the snake plant, this is the cactus, and this is the peace lily. She got these many saplings from the nursery. So I hope you enjoyed doing data handling with me today. We'll be coming up with more interesting sessions ahead. Till then, happy learning, children.